the Sergeant-Ettes. Yeah, feels just like Morocco last month. Same background interference. We got... Hold on. Hostiles confirmed. Decepticon incursion in Southwest Quadrant. Return to base. Alerting Autobots now.
All Decepticon targets eliminated. The battle zone is clear.
Do not be deceived, Breakaway. The Decepticons will not give up so easily.
I'm afraid Ironhide is right. With the Allspark destroyed and Megatron defeated, I had hoped our enemies would leave this planet. But it is not to be. We are accomplishing our tasks with greater speed than I imagined.
It's nice being fast, isn't it?
Roger that.
Ironhide, when our enemies return to Shanghai, you will be waiting for them. Prepare to depart.